Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change Activision account password. Follow these easy and step-by-step tutorial to change your Activision account password. On your browser open activision.com and now click on sign in or login, and here enter your Activision account login credential and ensure that you're not a robot and click on sign in. Once you successfully sign into your Activision account, now click on profile and you will jump into your Activision profile settings page. Here select basic info and under basic info section you will get password. So to change your password, click on edit. In order to change your password, you have to verify your Activision account current email address. So click on send code and go to your Gmail. And here you will get a verification mail. All you have to need is just copy this one-time verification code and paste it here. Once you verified your email address, again click on basic info and again click on edit next to password. And now here you can easily write your new password for your Activision account and retype the new password here and then click on save and your Activision account password will be changed. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below.